tradition or because of our habit, we accustom to certain type of lifestyle. Our lifestyle sometimes will not allow the chakras to rotate fully in a clockwise or fully in an anti-clockwise. If it is continuously suffers, that particular chakra suffers. So what we do in pranic healing, we clean the chakra thoroughly and throw that dirty energy removed from the chakra of any energy body into the waste water bowl. That bowl is made of water and salt. 2 liters of water, around 150 grams of salt. When you dissolve it, it is a wastewater bowl. It's a wastewater, it's like a dustbin. So we throw it to the water and the salt, dissolved salt. Because water dissolves the dirty energy, salt disintegrates it. That means it will not affect any other person who come across that particular salt water bowl. In pranic healing, we remove the dirty energy from the part of the body. And once it is clean, we absorb energy from the environment and we project it. We teach the people how to absorb the air energy consciously and project to the place where it is required, so that people who need energy, we can project it and their health will be rectified easily, because in that particular chakra is get sufficient amount of energy means the related organs also gets energy and they will be cured. Just like you are taking a medicine, you are absorbing energy from the surroundings. Now you may ask me one question. Those who don't know anything about pranic healing, how they manage? How they manage this cycle? They want some energy, because our physical body is having its own consciousness. It's a wonderful creation of God. It is also having its own self-defense mechanism. Physical body is having its own self-defense mechanism. So for small cuts and other things, you don't go to the doctor, it will heal itself. Actually, healing is done by the body, not by the medicine. Then what is the role of medicine? Medicine will help to avoid the side effects of any cut, any wound, something like that. It may get bacterial infection, that can be avoided by taking antibiotics. If you are severely suffering from the pain, to reduce the pain, you may have to take the painkillers or some medicines there. So suppose if there is a fracture, for example, if there is a fracture, doctor will shut the bones in a correct position and then put a plaster, and you will be asked to take 2 months rest. What heals there? Body heals itself, not the medicine. Because bone growth takes place. If you are young in age, it is very fast. If you are old in age, it takes more time, because the rate of growth of the cell is decays as the age increases, so it requires more time. Ultimately, healing is done by the body, not by the medicine. Then why we are suffering? Because of our thought process. If there is a severe problem like, say, heart attack, kidney problem, cancer, something like that, people give up. That is the root cause of all the problems. That is the root cause of all the problems. Our body is having our own self-defense mechanism. Any pain or any symptom in the part of the body, that is a symptom or a signal given to the brain, everything is not all right. You have to take care of that particular part of the body. So that's, you have to recognize the signal and you have to analyze your lifestyle. Yesterday what you did, day before yesterday what you did, how you are thinking, what is your thought process, what is the root cause. Suppose if you are able to analyze your life by yourself to compensate this problem, that is a signal given to me, I need to take care of that. Immediately you have to take care of any pain, any signal given by the body, because body is having a conflict. It is not the doctor that heals, it is your body that heals. So in pranic healing what we are doing? We are supplying the energy to the part where the energy is required. So the second thing what I wanted to stress here, a person who comes to me as a pranic for a treatment, he or she must have a full faith on the treatment. Unless and otherwise they have the perfect faith in the treatment, because they must need the confidence, who is going to heal? I am not going to heal, he or she is going to heal themselves. What I am doing, I am only supporting, I am only strengthening the self-defense mechanism of the person. What I can do in pranic healing is strengthening of the self-defense mechanism of the person. I can strengthen the self-defense mechanism if mentally the person is already gave up and he is not ready to stand up and fight for this one. Help. Nobody can help. Nobody can help. So one has to help themselves. This is what we are teaching in pranic healing. So control your thoughts and you are able to control the body.